Mr. Speaker, understanding Order 96 and 101, we need to be responsible in statements that we make. These are House of Rules and Order. To assert that I'm being treated with kids' club is misleading because I have received the punishment. It means if I had not the fact that on several occasions I have suffered the punishment like Senator Sifuna. So it depends on the offense we have committed. When I decline, Mr. Speaker, there's the rat, and it is good that Senator Murango should be attending sessions. When I declined to sit, the Speaker, the punishment I received was to be chased out of the session for the rest of the day. So the crime and punishment must go together. And I took my punishment with glory and with humility. So to make assertions that to other Kenyans who are watching these proceedings that Senator Cherargei and other senators are making mistakes in the flow of the House and they don't suffer consequences is misleading, Mr. Speaker. Can the senator withdraw and apologize because it is on record that I have been punished on several occasions as per the standing orders of this House, Mr. Speaker? It is very unfortunate. I didn't expect that. I wish he would have qualified statement by saying Senator Cherargei has been an affront to standing orders and he has been punished accordingly. That is it, Mr. Speaker. But to throw the card of gender and try to intimidate some of us, Mr. Speaker, to support an illegality, we shall not be cowed or intimidated, Mr. Speaker. And I've never met issues of sexual favors from anybody. That's a very serious offense as a man. As somebody, your family, where you come from, Mr. Speaker.
You're on a point of order. Now you are
No, Mr. Speaker, I am mad because you can imagine as a man, somebody has accused you of requests for sexual favors, Mr. Speaker.
So
This is, we cannot be intimidated.
Let Senator Murango conclude his presentation.
Mstahiki Spika, katika kanuni za kudumu